Alright, kasama natin ang Ron Rio, Coach Rio de la Cruz. Kamusta na po kayo?
Okay naman. So, busy kami dahil ang ating National Minor Marathon Manila Leg is on April 28 sa SM Mall of Asia.
Alright, ba't andito ka sa Milo, of course, sa anniversary, 60th anniversary, and you're one of the faces niya ng Milo throughout the years.
Yes, oo. So, I'm very thankful with Milo, no, na we are celebrating this 60th anniversary and hoping na ma-enjoy natin itong activity na to for everyone.
Okay, bukod pa sa National Minor Marathon, congratulations! Successful ang Oka Trilogy Run Asia na ginanap last week sa MOA. We have Richard Salanyo and Christina Lasco as your winners. Your assessment po dito sa nasabing marathon, yung Oka Trilogy Run Asia, first leg na Manila Leg.
Oh yes, actually kakatapos lang nung Cebu leg kanina, and we are very happy na yung running is not only growing in Manila but also in other cities and provinces. So we are hoping now they can also join our regional races for our Milo Marathon.
And of course, lumalaki at lumalawak na marathon community. Nabanggit ko kanina, Richard Salanyo, Christina Lasco. Of course, isa pa, si Mary Joy Tabal, who is actually the OIC now of Mandaue. Ano masasabi mo? Unti-unti na naging boom na yung marathon community sa ngayon.
Oo, so after pandemic, no, so maraming nagkaroon ng interest sa running, and happy naman na yung suporta ng Milo ay nandyan pa rin all throughout the years.
Alright, Coach Rio, yung final message at imbitahan nyo na suportahan ng National Milo Marathon, ang Oka Trilogy Run Asia, and other tournaments na mga sasalihan, mga other marathons and fun runs.
Yes, so sa mga mananakbo dyan or hindi pa tumatakbo, ini-invite ko kayo na mag-register sa ating National Milo Marathon on April 28. So para magkita-kita tayo doon. So ito yung isa sa pinakamalaki after ng pandemic. So hoping na mabalik natin yung dati nating sigla.
And of course, Oka Trilogy Run.
Yes, of course. Sa yung leg 2 sa June na.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach Rio, and please update us sa mga kaganapan.
Yes, so just visit our website, no, www.ranrio.com, and of course, milomarathon.com.
Alright, thank you so much po.